off of this so far, man.
Ben Rhodes is such a big lead.
I'm late, but I'm here.
It's laggy, it's laggy.
It's not.
He just done fine.
Here comes Creed and Roper.
That's okay. The 17 is literally Aaron Brown.
Corey Roper in the top 5.
Come on, Creed.
Bro, we can't have nice things. We can't.
Then he...
Yo, that crafted goal.
Corey Roper, dude, look at him.
But then Aaron gets there and he told me that.
Here comes the outside. Here comes the outside. He can't block. He's too late.
White flag, Creed. Oh, he just put him in the wall. Here comes Corey Roper. Here comes Corey Roper. Oh my God.
Ben Rhodes is gonna turn him. Ben Rhodes is gonna turn him. I'm calling it right now. He's gonna turn him.
Oh man, it's close. They're wrecking Austin Wayne Self's around. No, it's not a caution. They're laying back. Crafton's blocking Smith. Oh, he's gonna get him. They're wrecking. Here comes Anderson. Anderson got second again. Anderson, oh my God, Spencer Boyd.
Oh my God, Spencer Boyd.
Spencer Boyd is destroyed.
Oh
my God, I'm pissed and red.
Okay,
it's not Anderson. We wanted Cody Roper to win.
Let's go, Jordan Anderson.
Jordan Anderson finished second again.
Oh my God, dude. Anderson second again, and Cody Roper third, just short. Come on, dude. No one wanted fucking Ben Rhodes to win. No one wanted Ben Rhodes to win.
Looks like someone put a hand on there.
Like, no one expected Ben Rhodes, but like, God damn it, I want to see an underdog. I want the underdogs, man.
You're unmuted in the stream, so say hello to the stream, guys.
Hi, stream. I'm Michael Cycle.
Dude, that was insane.
I would have some. Michael, you're raping my stream. I do not appreciate that.
He said Ambrose farted.
Yeah.
That's
Well, Aaron GG.
Oh, there's Chris Wright. Oh, Chris. Enfinger.
Enfinger, you're trash.
Wow, he hates fingers.
After the season.
I do hate Enfinger, man.
Oh, Edwards, win.
Go ahead, say it, and they just fucking cry.
Ah! There's gonna be memes of him just falling down the
You're gonna
banking.
get stuck, you can get
Oh, by the way, Henderson, your guess was wrong.
I didn't have a guess.
No, left 59, you said. You said left 59.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Wasn't Ben Rhodes the worst one at Forest Sport?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm happy for him that he got the prediction right, but I don't really like Ben Rhodes, and it's just annoying to see like the underdogs come so close every time, and then of course like the fucking
But Dave Giller should have won that. Dave Giller should have won.
No.
the fucking big driver needs to win.
Big drivers wins. Anderson should have won that.
Jordan got
Anderson
close.
finishes second every year, dude.
Xfinity probably gonna be the worst race.
Yeah, they usually.
Yeah, no, totally.
Well, you know, Ben could.
That was awesome in 2018.
No, shoot.
So, yeah.
I want to say inside checking out someone.
Oh, that's great.
Well, you know, it ain't official until inspection is cleared.
Oh, yeah.
He's not gonna get disqualified. If anything, Anderson and Roper are gonna get disqualified.
And then Roper wins.
Ryan Truex got fourth.
Rhodes wins. Let's go.
What do you mean, let's go? You did not pick
No, damn it, Tyler,
I just said Why would you want Ben Rhodes to win? Not
Why does he look like Madison, man?
What?
No, that does not look like Madison.
Damn.
Not really.
I mean, kind of.
He acts like it. What?
Alright, so
So it's like a.
Jennifer Jacoby got
Like what?
as of now,
Jennifer's only at 4? What? Yeah.
Cause it's trash. What?
as of now, this is the longest green flag run I've had in a 500 at the beginning. From the
Alright.
If you jinx it, you gay. What? Hold up.
Okay, if any of the drivers say
Please,
say that about.
I'm gonna say, as soon as I said that, caution came out.
Oh my god.
What does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? Oh, okay. No. That's
Okay,
what
the
it
thing
goes.
is talent. I already passed my longest range lag run.
And?
The longest range lag run was lap 61. It's lap 65.
That's why you're 87 cars, Cody.
No. I'm in the 500 zone.
Oh, come on, dude.
Come on, Cody.
What happened at the end? What happened to Boyd?
It's gonna be fun.
Okay,
put him in the wall.
well, yeah, Crafton made a bad block on, and then, was that Chris White? Was that Chris? And then they all
He
just
should have
wrecked.
side drafted him. He should have got to his quarter panel.
I won't try that too.
Yeah, it should have been. I mean, one of these you just gotta get first. What?
Dude, Corey Roper, though, legit had a chance to win. That was awesome. And Jordan Anderson second again.
Harrison, please tell me you recorded that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's go!
And that's a good place to end the video.
Yep. Until next week. See you next week.
Yep.
Come on.